So question is this: Dalton's law theory based कि oxygen gas, a container in which mixture of oxygen and neon gas, and the amount of oxygen is 70.6 and neon mass is 167.5 gram. ठीक है? And the pressure mixture of this container is 25 bar. So calculate partial pressure of each gas, that is partial pressure of oxygen and neon. How we can do it? What we can do?
Now, first we can calculate the number of moles of each gas and then take the mole fraction and apply the formula of P total.
Yeah. So we have to do P total. And what is P total? Okay. So in this gas, P total is given. So only, is it required this formula?
Ma'am, we can apply PA equal to P total.
सीधा डायरेक्ट कर सकते हैं, यानी partial pressure of O2 is equal to the mole fraction of O2 into P total. Okay, P total is given. So now you have to calculate first number of moles of each gas and then the mole fraction. Correct. So what is the coming of the number of moles of oxygen? That is 70.6 upon 32. Okay, whatever you have calculated. The neon mole number of moles is coming 167.5 upon 20, that whatever the coming. Okay, and then after you have calculated mole fraction of oxygen, that is the number of moles of oxygen upon number of moles of oxygen plus number of moles of neon, that is total moles. So if you can calculate one, the second no need to calculate. Okay, simply you calculate only mole fraction of oxygen and then you calculate partial pressure of oxygen by putting these values. Okay, whatever the value is coming. Okay, put the value of this and P total, you get it. And the second neon pressure, simply you can use that formula also. The P total neon के लिए तुम simply use कर सकते हो. The neon is equal to P total minus PO2. Okay, so only one calculation is required. Second only you can do the minus. Have you done, anyone? Anyone has done? Okay, is it clear to all of you which formula you have to use?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. And what is the first point you have to calculate? Then what is the second point you have to calculate? Then what is the third point? Partial pressure of O2. Again, you have to apply this formula. That is the third point. You have to do this formula. And then the last, you can do this. Okay. So you just solve it and write the answer. Is it clear? Should I go ahead?
Yes,
ma'am. Rest of you, bache?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the rest, all of you. Yes, Akshat? Tell something. कुछ तो बोलो बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now, what will be the pressure exerted by a mixture? Means what you have to calculate in this. First, read the line and then tell me what is required or what to be calculated in this question. What will be the pressure of mixture? Means what is the meaning of this? What you have to calculate?
Total pressure.
Yeah, you have to calculate P total. And what are given? The mass of both gases are given. Volume is given. Temperature is given. So what you will do over here? The P total is equal to what?
Ma'am, we can use Na plus Nb into RT by.
Yeah, yani Na means suppose you are taking A is this and B is this. So दोनों के number of moles निकाल के and you simply put RT by V. What temperature will be taken? Degree Celsius or Kelvin?
Ma'am, Kelvin.
Always you have to take in the terms of Kelvin. That is 300 Kelvin. So now put the value and what R value you will take over here. Okay, temperature, volume is 9 liter Okay. And what the T will be taken, R will be taken. You can take anything. Suppose we are taking 0.083 bar liter per mole per Kelvin, then the answer which you will write, that you will write in the terms of bar only. Okay? So you can write everything. P total is equal to number of moles of methane, that is 3.2 upon 16 plus 4.4 upon 44, that is Na plus Nb, and then you write all the values over here. 83 into 300 Kelvin upon 9 liters. And answer whatever will be coming, that you write in the terms of bar. Okay. So there is a two methods by which you can do. So first method you have told, suppose you are taking hydrogen के लिए, P hydrogen, PV is equal to nRT. For hydrogen you are taking, P is what? 0.8 bar. Volume is 0.5 liter. Number of moles you are calculating. R is a gas constant, that is 0.082. 83 bar wala. Bar value you can take. And here you are taking 300 Kelvin, right? So you can calculate number of moles of hydrogen. Okay. Similarly, you are doing what? Second also. Second up 0.7 bar into 2 liters, and you are calculating volume of क्या बचे question में? What is?
Moles of oxygen.
Oxygen, okay. Oxygen, number of moles of oxygen, R you will take same thing into 300 Kelvin. Even I don't think it is required to calculate also.
मैम R
No.
तो cancel हो जाएगा.
टेम्परेचर कैंसिल हो जाएंगे बाद में.
Yes sir.
So you will take this P total, which is equal to number
Basically
of,
P1 V1 plus P2 V2 goes to P final.
Yeah.
V final.
and then you can take R T, that is 300 Kelvin, upon volume will take here 1 liter flask, right? You are doing on this way. Any another alternative method by which you can do? Okay, this is the one method. By another method also you can do, suppose for hydrogen I'm telling P1, V1, this is for hydrogen. Okay, and this is P2, that is the partial pressure of hydrogen, into volume, that is 1 liter flask. That also you can take. Means that is 0.8 bar into 5 liter partial pressure of hydrogen upon 1. This will be more easier. No need to do so much calculation. Similarly, for oxygen, you can take 0.7 bar.
Same concept.
Yeah, same concept. But यहाँ पे calculation करने की जरूरत है? Is it required to do any calculation?
Left side में भी जरूरत नहीं है.
That will be cancelled out. Plus plus करके common factor निकल जाएगा, right? Same thing it. So you can do by any one of the method, either P1, V1, या तुम सीधे number of moles निकाल के, and then again you can do the P total is equal to this 0.85, sorry, 0. Same thing, okay? This partial pressure of hydrogen.
Question 1 and 2 को add करेंगे तो same right side वाला आ
जाएगा, ठीक है? तो any one of the method you can do, either this or this method. Okay, so correct. Okay, so now the next question you do, yeah, this question. Okay, read the question first and then tell me how to do it. So what is this question? A gas which is collected by downward displacement of water at 30 degrees Celsius, in which the total pressure exerted 740 and the volume of that gas collected is 20 ml. And you have to calculate the volume of this gas A at STP. So you have to apply which formula? Yes. P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. Suppose one you are taking as STP. Suppose this is at STP and this is according to the question given. Okay. So P1 is suppose this. Okay. P1 is pressure of dry gas, and this pressure of dry gas, which is equal to the total pressure minus aqueous tension. That means 740 minus 20. So this is coming 720 mm of Hg. Okay. So P1 is this. V1 already I have written, that is 20 ml. And the temperature is 30 degree. That is T1 is 30 plus 273 Kelvin. Okay. And so you can put all this value and you can calculate. What you have to calculate? You have to calculate V2, volume at STP. So you can write P1 is 720, V1 is 20 ml, T1 is 303 Kelvin, P2 STP पे if it is mm है, mmHg है, तो P2 we can take 760 mmHg. Volume we have to find out, and the temperature always we know STP 273 Kelvin. I think it is clear to all of you. Clear है?
Yes.